We're here at Collegetown Center. We're on the 5th floor landing. I wanted to show you, we're across from the elevator, and then I wanted to show you the proximity of this apartment to that 5th floor landing and elevator. We're going into apartment 500. This is a 2-bedroom apartment. We're here on floor 5 of the 6th floor elevator building. And as we enter, this style of 2-bedroom is the only style where you walk in through a hallway instead of directly into the kitchen. We have a closet on the left and the bathroom on the right. Let's look in that hall closet briefly. And this hall closet is great for boxes, winter coats, suitcases, luggage, things like that, extra things you need storage for. And the bathroom is on this side, same bathroom that we've seen elsewhere in the building. So we've got that tub shower with a sliding door, that vanity that opens up underneath for additional storage, the toilet, there's a cabinet on the wall for smaller storage items. You've got your towel racks, a large mirror, and that nice big light here in the bathroom. Let's go on in through the hallway. We'll take a look at the common spaces and then the bedrooms. So as we come around, we've got our kitchen over here. I like this kitchen layout. This nice flat, even kitchen with the stove, oven, microwave. You can see the sink and dishwasher and the refrigerator, and we have great cabinets and drawers here in this space. So it's a very open area here for this living room, right across from the kitchen. You can see the furnishings. We have a dining table and chairs, the seating areas and some small tables, and that great angled window. We'll go over there and take a look out the window. You can see the air conditioner underneath. There's an air conditioner in each room, separate air ACs for each room here, so great climate control. And here is a look out the windows. Over to our right, that's to the southwest, we have some beautiful valley views over this way, and over to, and we can see part of the upper Dryden parking lot that enters from the Dryden Road side of the building. Over here to our left, you can see towards College Avenue, and then this here is part of the College Avenue parking lot. Parking is available as a separate contract. It's not included in your apartment rent, but you can rent parking if you'll have a car. And let's go take a look at the bedrooms. This model or layout of apartment is available on floors 2 through 6 of this 6th floor building. We're on floor 5. They're the same layout on every floor. The difference will be just how high up you are. Okay, this is room 1 and we're going in. And this one has a straight window and the furnishings will be the same. You'll have that bookshelf, dresser, desk and chair, full-size bed. There's that other air conditioner. We'll go over, take a look out the window briefly. So that's the window. Great views up here on the 5th floor. And here's a look in the closet. This one is the slightly smaller of the 2 bedrooms, but possibly has a better closet. And let's go across and take a look at room 2. Room 2 has an angle style window. So it has that same style window that we saw in the living room and same furnishings. Let's look in that closet while we're right here. So this one has a closet that's more of an L shape and it has great floor space in the closet, but it's just a different shape. So it's a little deeper, but less hanging space. And let's go look out the window over here. Same furnishings. We often talk about not blocking your heater, so that's an example of that. We want your heater to be free and clear of things in front of it so that you can get more heat flow in the winter. And this one does have that great angle style window, so much light and sun, especially in the afternoon. You can see that, all that sunshine coming in. We're on the south side of the building, which is of course always the brighter side of the building here in Collegetown. And we are away from Dryden Road here at the back of the building. Well, you can see College Ave over there. College Ave is the main intersection of our Collegetown neighborhood. It intersects with Dryden Road at the corner. And from that corner, we're located just 1 block to campus. So that's a look at Collegetown Center apartment 500. We're in a 2-bedroom apartment here at this building at 151 Dryden Road, right here in central Collegetown.